vlog number 39. So wanted to tell you guys, basically we just finished the album. We did 2 days in the studio doing some vocalists and a hip-hop artist and a bunch of stuff like acoustic guitar, doubling some melodies. So I'm super excited to share that with you. It will take a minute, but now we're going to the mixing part. Yeah, I was just trying to think a little bit about like practicing like the two-hand independence, so like trying to have something consistent in one hand and then something else in the other one. I'll do 2 and 4 and try to do that at the same time. So here goes. This is Solar. So yeah, it's tricky, and what I'm trying to do is again trying to keep this happening, and I'm changing it a little bit, but kind of like trying to have it consistently happening. And then what I would do would just be like practicing maybe that with a click. Again, I'm not doing it accurately, it's in process, but it's, you know, that's what I'm trying to do. So, and again, you can put it in different places. Depends on where you want it, or like the subdivision, like 16, like triplets, you know, like 6 couplets or something. It depends on how you want to have it. And then like you can like do just practicing the scale, or you know, whatever you want, but it's interesting to see it. I mean, it's also like challenging to keep it balanced, so if you're doing like dyads and stuff like that, because it's, yeah. So I mean, this is like these are things that I'm trying to kind of work on and figure out a little bit. I mean, what's interesting about it is like that we have to kind of like really know one thing really well, you know what I mean? So like this, hopefully like one hand is like kind of out of the way. So this is like mechanical, and then you can just like whatever you're trying to do. Hopefully it's a better line than that, but you know. So there's like, again, one thing that is kind of consistent and thinking about something else. Right. Just the idea of that is interesting. And that's kind of coming from piano, you know, thoughts of like just like having 2 hands, of course. Yeah. I'm not sure if that's interesting, but I hope it is. And yeah, I'll give it one more shot.